Under the OSHA law, employers have a responsibility to provide a safe workplace. This is a short summary of key employer responsibilities. Provide a workplace free from serious recognized hazards and comply with standards, rules and regulations issued under the OSHA Act. Examine workplace conditions to make sure they conform to applicable OSHA standards. Make sure employees have and use safe tools and equipment and properly maintain this equipment. Use color codes, posters, labels or signs to warn employees of potential hazards. Establish or update operating procedures and communicate them so that employees follow safety and health requirements. Employers must provide safety training in a language and vocabulary workers can understand.
Employers with hazardous chemicals in the workplace must develop and implement a written hazard communication program and train employees on the hazards they are exposed to and proper precautions, and a copy of safety data sheets must be readily available. Provide medical examinations and training when required by OSHA standards. Post, at a prominent location within the workplace, the OSHA poster, or the state plan equivalent, informing employees of their rights and responsibilities.
Keep records of work-related injuries and illnesses. Note: employers with 10 or fewer employees and employers in certain low-hazard industries are exempt from this requirement. Provide employees, former employees and their representatives access to the log of work-related injuries and illnesses, OSHA Form 300. Provide access to employee medical records and exposure records to employees or their authorized representatives.
Provide to the OSHA compliance officer the names of authorized employee representatives who may be asked to accompany the compliance officer during an inspection. Not discriminate against employees who exercise their rights under the Act. See our Whistleblower Protection webpage. Post OSHA citations at or near the work area involved. Each citation must remain posted until the violation has been corrected, or for 3 working days, whichever is longer. Post abatement verification documents or tags. Correct cited violations by the deadline set in the OSHA citation and submit required abatement verification documentation.
OSHA encourages all employers to adopt an injury and illness prevention program. Injury and illness prevention programs, known by a variety of names. These include management leadership, worker participation, hazard identification, hazard prevention and control, education and training, and program evaluation and improvement.